So today we are going to learn about how to update the ECDIS. Transas Navisailor 4000 ECDIS. Make a Transas. Model is Navisailor 4000. First, insert the nav stick. After inserting nav stick, exit from ECDIS mode, go to configuration, then press exit. Okay, now we are exited. Now go to Navi Planner. Once you click the Navi Planner, now window is opening. Onboard ECDIS is Wärtsilä Transas Navisailor 4000. Our subscriber is Napter. Okay, now window is opening. Wait for the charts to upload the all charts. You can see updated up to week 13. First we will update the permits. For updating permits, go to browser, info, Napter, permits, select ECDIS one, press go. Now you can see window is popped up. Select the now press close. Now you can see on the corner top side uploading charts to ECDIS. That means all new charts permits are being uploading now. Now uploading. Now new permits are successfully uploaded. Now we will go to the updates for weekly updates. Before that, you can see downloading charts from ECDIS. That means all permits are downloaded and synchronized with second ECDIS, Workstation 2. We are doing updates in Workstation 1. So both ECDIS are auto sync. We need to apply all updates in the Workstation 1, that is the master PC. We will go to browse. Now here we have to select F drive, nav stick F drive. After selecting F drive, now looking for the charts. Now you can see updates, all updates are popped up. That now here we have to select install selected items. Now scanning in progress. No to all. Select no to all. Now updates are now updates are auto downloading to the IGDIS. It will take around 30 to 45 minutes depend on your operational area selected. Once this IGDIS updated, same on the top side corner near the IGDIS, it will show updates are downloaded and synchronizing with workstation 2. In next video we will come back for the AIO updates. Thank you.